Alright, so in this video I want to show you the exact process that I use to find my niches and at the same time research tons of amazing products to sell. Okay, so I've been using this method since forever with a lot of success, and actually you can also use it to validate your niches as well. Okay, first off, of course, you want a hot niche, okay, where there's a lot of hungry buyers that are going to buy your products right away. Okay, so to help you pick one, make sure you check out our PDF guide with over 9,700 physical product niche markets, okay, that are going to give you lots of ideas, and then you can pick the one you like most. Okay, so basically, let me show you. This is where I check, validate, my niche and source of most of my products. Okay, so you want to go to a website called WatchCount, okay, watchcount.com. Okay, watchcount.com. Once you're there, okay, this website shows you the products that are sold on eBay. Okay, how many times they've been sold, the number of orders, etc., etc., etc. Okay, it's a really neat and awesome website, okay, to source products, to sell, but also come up with amazing niches yourself. Okay, so generally this can take you some time because the research can take a few hours, but honestly I love it. Okay, or maybe if you are lucky, you can find your hot niche right away. Okay, but for this video particularly, I'm going to show you a niche that I have used in the past and it's still super hot today. Okay, right now, so it's not going to take you much of your time. Okay, so this niche is cut jewelry. Okay, I'm pretty sure like you have heard of it before. Actually, cut jewelry related items, particularly necklaces, bracelets, rings. Okay, you're totally free to use this niche if you want. Okay, because it's super hot, but it's better if you learn how to find your own niches first. Okay, so all you gotta do is type in cut, okay, jewelry, right here, cut jewelry. Okay, then hit search and just check all the amazing results that you're gonna be finding here. Look how many products, okay, that are hot selling right now. Okay, there's a ton of stuff here. I mean, look at this. Okay, and you can see also how many people are currently watching. Okay, if you scroll down, okay, look at this. There's a ton of products, okay, that keep getting displayed right here, and you can also continue on the next pages. But pretty much, let's focus, for example, okay, see how many people are watching. Like, for example, this one right here, the first one, it's a killer item, okay, and there's over almost 1,270 people watching right now, okay, and this item, let's see how much it sold, how many units sold. Okay, you can see that it sold 3,100 units sold, okay, which is awesome. Okay, so for example, let's go check another one. Okay, this one right here, 962 people watching, okay, almost 1,000 people watching, and let's see how many units it sold. Okay, so this one sold, okay, so it doesn't, okay, 1,378 units, okay, and it's really trending right now. Okay, so all you gotta do is take a look around. Okay, take a look around this website for similar products. For example, you can also type in cut bracelets. Okay, so for example, cut bracelets. Okay, and let's see what comes up. Okay, and as you can see, tons of results right here. Okay, this one is actually pretty good. The third one right here has sold almost, okay, let's see, 271 watching, and it sold, let's see, 2,400 units. Okay, so this is actually pretty good. And again, have a look like all these products right here. There's another one, this one right here. It's actually a pretty good product. I would actually sell this one. It's a nice product. Okay, so let's see how many units it sold. See, this is a little cutie right here. It's nice, I like it. 180 units sold, okay, which is actually, it's actually pretty good, okay, because it means that not many people know about it. Okay, not many people are selling it, so there's less competition and it's less saturated. Okay, so I would definitely, actually, this is like obviously a nice product to sell. Okay, but let's go back one second And I can guarantee you that all these items, okay, that you see here, okay, are being created in China at 3 cents a piece, if not less, okay, maybe 1 cent. So if you find an item like this ones, okay, this one, for example, also this one right here, it's pretty good, okay, and this one right here, you know, this one as well, okay, there's a lot of items here that I would personally sell, okay. So what you gotta do, like, you want to find a niche where there are multiple products that you can make a ton of money with, because like, you can offer multiple products on your stores and collections of products as well, okay. You can do upsells, selling, cross-selling similar products, like in this case, like for example, I would sell the cat necklace first, and then I would upsell a cat bracelet, okay, or a cat ring, or a cat purse, okay, and people will definitely buy, okay. Or also, they might like other niche-related products, so it's always good to have at least 10 products in your store, okay? I would say 5-10 products, okay? But you can start with 2-3 products, okay? No problem. So a niche like this, okay, cat jewelry, okay, will obviously be good because there's not only cats, okay? I mean, animal jewelry, okay, there's dogs, horses, owls, okay, so animal jewelry is a gigantic niche, okay, so you can make a ton of money with. Another sub niche that you might want to check is owl jewelry, okay, had a lots of success with this one as well, okay, so you would type owl jewelry, okay, jewelry, and then hit search, show me, and then you would find for products, okay, so for example 838, so let's say this one, how many it sold, okay, 2,581, okay, definitely this would be an amazing product to sell, okay, and make sure you also find products that have less competition, okay, for example, product that sold maximum of 200-300 units, it would be great, okay, because less competition, less saturation, so it's easier to sell it, okay. So this is obviously going to take you some time because you want to make sure that you find that killer niche that is selling like crazy, okay? You want to find those amazing products, you know, that are selling like hotcakes, and it's not going to take you like a few seconds like I did right now, because actually these are niches that I have already found success in the past, okay? I know them, they are super, you know, hot. So, but you can do the same, okay? You can validate your niche, okay? You find a niche, you type it here, okay? And then you look for the products, okay? You look what's selling the most, okay? So, what you're going to do after, okay? After you find your niche, let's say you found some pretty good products here. All you gotta do is go to AliExpress, okay? So you would go to AliExpress. So let's do, for example, let's do this one. AliExpress, okay, you would go there, okay, you would type, for example, cat necklaces, okay, the ones that you found there, okay, with heart, okay, this one is good, let's see, the ones that you found there, you come here and you see which ones, okay, like for example, are cost less, okay, are super cheap, okay, give me 1 second because this one I need to switch to US, okay, so let's do United States right here, okay, currency English, okay, so in this case you would come here, okay, and you would find products that, I mean, look at these prices, 0.78, and this one it's really nice, okay, so for example you would definitely like import this product to your store. I mean, I would sell it right away, okay, like how many units it sold, like it sold like, let me check, it should sold like, okay, so this one, actually, you want to reorder by orders, okay, so let's see, for example, this one sold 10,000 units, okay, this one is actually a pretty good product to sell, okay, also these rings right here, everything related to cat necklaces, okay, actually it's still cat jewelry, okay, but you get the point, right? So cat jewelry, so you would find like lots of products, okay, and you reorder these products. Look at this, 10,000 units, okay, there's a ton of products here that you can easily sell. I mean, look at this, 5,000 units, okay, 5,000 units, 98 cents, okay? And what you gotta do, like after you found them on watch count, you go check some products there, you come here on AliExpress, you search for your products here, okay? Use the Dropshiply Chrome extension, okay, right here. Then all you gotta do, you import products to your store and start selling them right away, okay? And keep in mind, guys, this is just one niche, okay, that I've showed you, okay? This is cat jewelry, animal jewelry, but there's a ton more niches out there, okay? I just hope you understand the process, okay? It's very, very simple, okay? You can find them right here, and you then, you know, import them to your store with the extension and start selling them, okay? So that's it for this video, and I'll talk to you in the next one.